Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the serial number of a computer using the command prompt. So the serial number is usually on a sticker, for example, on a laptop it will be on the bottom of the laptop, or on a desktop it will be somewhere on the box. If the sticker has been damaged or rubbed off or has been removed, you can use the command prompt to find the serial number of your computer. Right, let's get started. So get the command prompt open on your computer. Yep, so you type wmic BIOS get serial number, press enter, and then you would see the serial number of your computer listed there. So that's the easiest way to find out the serial number of your computer. Yep, and thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.